أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هو الذي خلق لكم ما في الأرض جميعا ثم استوى إلى السماء فسوهن سبع سماوات وهو بكل شيء عليم. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is ayat number 29 of Surah Baqarah. So in this ayah, two main points Allah told us. One is about the earth or the land and whatever we can see inside, outside, at the surface of the land. So Allah said, I have created this land and the everything that is the produced or you can find inside or outside of the land and soil or earth everywhere. So that is in fact for you. So I have produced, I have created for you. The second thing we can see here, that is the skies, the heavens. Allah said, these skies I made seven skies that have been made by Allah. So then after that Allah said, because I know everything, there is no doubt Allah knows everything, whatever, wherever, anything on the surface of the sky, on seven skies, or on inside or outside at the surface of the earth, or anywhere. So Allah knows everywhere. So this is about that. So we have to start reading. Huwallazi. Huwa mean he mean Allah. Huwa, he, Allah. Allazi, Allah is one who, because Allazi is used for one. Allazina is used for many. So this is Allah who is one. So Allah is telling us. So this way, Huwallazi, Huwa, he, Allah, the one who khalaqa, created. Allah who created lakum, for you, ma, whatever you find, fil ard, in the earth, or what is in the earth, Allah created for you, jamia, all, everything. So it means what is at the surface of the earth, even it is outside at the surface of the earth or inside. So everything is created for you. Huwallazi khalaqa lakum ma fil ardi jamiya. Allah is one who created for you what is in the surface of earth, what is in the earth, the total, everything for you. So here is the big lesson for us, because in this ayat, the first part I read, this is about the body, because if you look at our body, this is made up of two things. One is the body that has been created by the earthen thing, and the other is the soul, the ruh, that is driving force, that is in our body, that comes from Allah. So this way, the second part, that is creation of the seven skies, and because that is the journey of the soul journey, because when the soul comes, it comes from the from Allah towards us from Jannatul Mawa, and and to the people who was like in the belly of the mom. So the angel comes to put that one inside the body, then body of the baby inside the mom become alive. So when a person dies after death, the soul, if the person is good, a nice person with iman and good deeds, the soul of that person travels the seven skies and can see everything on the skies, and then even it goes towards Allah, and then make a sajda to Allah, and Allah sends that one to the Jannatul Mawa. So because the this whole ayat is about our body and soul. So so if you look that one, and Allah is also telling us that because everything of the Quran is the full guidance for us, and most everything is Allah is telling us so that we may be good. So this first ayat, if you look, first part of the ayat, huwallazi, Allah is who khalaqa, who created lakum for you ma fil ardi, whatever you can find on the surface of the earth, inside or outside, jamia, everything. So that is all for you. But you are for what? So you are for Allah. So it means, so everything on the surface of the earth has been created for the human beings, and human beings because they are already created by the earthen thing. So this way the requirement, all the requirements of the earthen body, like our body, comes from the earth. So this way Allah said, this everything which you need, I have given you already. But what you are, so you have been created for me, for my worship, for my praising. So we are the people just slave of Allah, and we must fulfill our responsibility, that wama khalaqtul jinna wal insa illa liyabudun. So human and demons have been created just for Allah, so for worship and praising of Allah, and we have to spend our life under the under the limitations or that limits that have been given by Allah. We are not to cross those limits. We have to follow the Sunnah and Quran. So these are the two things. Quran and Sunnah is the constitution of us. After following that, so we may be everything just for Allah. So, but we have to look next. Allah said, Summa stawa, Summa, then. Astawa mean the intention, intended. So Allah's intention, Allah wanted ilah, towards sama, towards the sky. So Allah intended towards the sky. Allah wants to create the sky. So fasawwahunna, then Allah created the sky, and then Allah organized it and fashioned it, and you can say it is decorated it. So like you can see the sky, the lower sky that is here we can see. So that has been decorated with the stars and moons and sun. So all these things. So this is the special decoration that is for us. So we can see it and we will feel that feel nice, so beautiful. So Allah said, "Fasawwahunna," and created and designed and made sab'a, seven, samawat, skies. So Allah made seven skies. So this is Allah made, organized, designed first, then organized, then made it seven skies. So those are just Allah told us this is the special blessings on us also, because when our soul, it off when we die after death, the soul moves from us, from our body, it travels through the all the skies, goes towards Allah, and then make sajda to Allah, and then Allah sends that one to Jannatul Mawa, and uh, the then soul is waiting up to the time of judgment. Then Allah will, when the body will be when the time will come that the angel Israfil will blow the trumpet second time, then everyone will become alive. Then the soul will find the body and then will go into it. Then the person will become alive. So then they will move towards the place where accountability will be done. So the this way Allah said, because where the body will be, Allah knows that one also, because Wahuwa and He, mean Allah, bikulle, for every shayin, everything. Allah knows everything. Alim knows. Allah knows everything. So this way, for example, the body, if the body of the person after death, it goes into grave, or no one knows where is it or what happened to that one, Allah knows everything. Then Allah will make the particles of the body to make a body again, and then the soul will find the body, it will come into it, and then the people, they will become like a full human being. Then they will move to the place of accountability, and then after accountability Allah will send to hell or heaven. So the main thing is that Allah is telling us that Allah wa huwa bi kulli shay'in alim. Allah knows everything, even if anything is in any place, like under the surface of the earth, at the surface of the earth, or in between somewhere, or even it is in any sky, like out of seven skies, anywhere. If something is there, Allah knows about that one also. Even if something is in between the skies, Allah knows those also. So Allah knows everything. Here we can see in the first part of the ayat, that is هو الذي خلق لكم ما في الأرض جميعا. So Allah created each everything for us. So here you can see in the findings, our main um, way of finding, how to find the things which are useful for us at the surface of the earth, under the surface of the earth. Like for example, we found like iron, copper, different things that comes from as a mining, like this way metallurgical engineering, some other engineering, so earth sciences, even the physics, chemistry, biology, all these sciences, geology, geography, even branches of engineering, and all this knowledge. And what is all that knowledge? See, this all that knowledge, all the subjects, those have been summarized in this ayat, because we use all this knowledge to make feasible utilization of the things that we can find from the surface of the earth, and to use it properly, to organize, to invent some other things which may be more useful for different things. So these all the subjects, even you can see on the surface of the earth, the agriculture, like growing crops and vegetables, fruits, different things, and how to produce different type of products, like developing different type of factories and some other like mills and different other projects. So these are all these things, what they are doing. So they are actually just utilizing the things that we can get on the surface of the earth, and then use it for our beneficial use. So the main thing is that, so all the knowledge, everything, so that has been created because of this ayat in this. هو الذي خلق لكم ما في الأرض جميعا. So Allah who created for us the earth, what is in it, or outside, everywhere, all everything. So it means the knowledge or the subjects that makes us the maximum utilization, or you can say optimum utilization of everything, so that we can use it to make different things which are beneficial for the human beings. So this way. The second part of this one, you can see the summa stawa, then Allah intended towards ilasama, towards the skies. Fasawwahunna sab'a samawat, then Allah made the seven skies and organized properly. Look, if you look this, because here the word fasawwa is very important, because this fasawwa mean like the it shows that not only the skies, but there are proper arrangement, like it means there is like different type of galaxies, and then you can say stars and planets, and different other things. So Allah made all those. So this is first of all, world first of all has too much meaning. So the making of the you can say the galaxies, stars, planets, and different other maybe which are unknown to the scientists till now. So Allah created all those things also. So this way, astronomy and the other subject which will, those are the proper way to find the information about that. And this is a special blessings of Allah we can get at the surface of the earth, the benefit from the sky and from the galaxies and from the planets and from the different types. So this is the Allah's special blessings that Allah told us, and with the help of this, we can make more use of our scientific knowledge to get the proper optimum benefits of all those things. So, just for the humanity. So that is the thing we have to do. So this way, وَهُوَ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ alim, and Allah who knows everything. So it means this at the end, Allah said, Allah knows everything. It means if you want to know more, these are the things which Allah said, I have created on the surface of the earth everything for you, and also seven skies and all these. Even if you want to know more, more than that, so Allah knows that one also. It means you need to have a full attention towards Allah. You intend towards Allah, you move towards Allah, and then you can get more than that, and you can get more blessings, because Allah knows more and more, and Allah has many things, many blessings, and too much, which are not under the approach of anyone on the surface of the earth till this time. So the person who has really approached towards Allah, so that person is the blessed one, can get more than that. So this way, here we have to make our mind that we must be the complete slave of Allah, and we have to follow the instructions that we got from our lovely Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and we have to spend our life under Quran and Sunnah to be more favorite and blessed person of Allah, so that Allah may be happy with us.